Hello and welcome to H2O.ai University, your centralized learning hub for exploring and learning how to work with the H2O.ai ecosystem. I'm Andreea Turcu, the head of Global AI Training here at H2O.ai, and I developed H2O.ai University to ensure you have an excellent onboarding experience with our products and services. H2O.ai University brings together courses, structured learning paths, and certification opportunities designed to help you understand how modern AI systems are built and applied in real-world environments. This training platform offers practical learning resources to empower your team, from developers and data scientists to AI practitioners and business leaders. H2O.ai University training develops the foundational knowledge and hands-on skills necessary for successful AI adoption and implementation across your organization. One important aspect of this learning hub is accessibility. In the spirit of AI democratization, there is no need to create an account or sign in to access the learning content available on the website. All courses, learning materials, and resources are freely accessible, allowing anyone interested in AI technologies to start learning immediately. Let's take a quick tour of the website and see what you can find in each section. Starting with the homepage, this is where you get an overview of the entire learning hub. The homepage introduces some of the main learning opportunities available on the platform, including training programs and certification options. It also highlights featured learning paths and courses that help you discover important topics across the H2O.ai ecosystem, such as generative AI, predictive AI, and AI application workflows. From here, you can quickly navigate to the course catalog or explore curated learning paths depending on how you prefer to learn. Next is the courses page. This section acts as the main library of training content available on the H2O.ai University, along with certification opportunities. Here, you can browse all available courses and explore the different technologies and tools within the H2O.ai platform. Each course focuses on specific capabilities and provides guided learning materials designed to help you understand how the technology works and how it can be applied in practice. The catalog also helps you quickly identify the duration and level of each course, so you can choose the content that best fits your learning needs. If you want to explore additional content beyond what is initially visible, you can simply use the Load More option at the bottom of the page to discover additional courses in the catalog. Once you select a course, you are taken to the course page, where the learning content is organized into several sections that guide you through the material step by step. The course page begins with a brief description, a short introductory video, and essential details such as the estimated duration and difficulty level. The What You Learn section provides a quick overview of the main concepts and skills covered in the course, helping you understand what knowledge you will gain. Below that, you will find the course playlist, where the lessons are organized in a logical sequence, guiding you from the introduction of the topic to more advanced concepts and practical demonstrations. The videos are embedded directly on the page through a YouTube playlist, which presents them in the chronological order they should be watched, allowing you to watch the entire course without leaving the website or opening additional pages. At the bottom of each course page, you can also access additional resources, including slides, links to the full training materials, and information about the instructors who contributed to the course. One additional note: after completing all the learning content, you have the opportunity to earn a certificate by validating your knowledge. To do this, simply take the quiz, which is located on the course page just below the video playlist. To begin the quiz, learners are required to provide essential information such as their name and email address. This step is necessary for H2O.ai University to accurately generate the official certification with the correct name and ensure its successful delivery via email to the recipient. Before starting the quiz, you will also need to acknowledge a short disclaimer informing you that the quiz is hosted on a third-party platform that processes data on behalf of H2O.ai. By accepting it, you confirm that you are at least 18 years old and consent to the collection and processing of the information you provide for certification, analytics, outreach, and training purposes in accordance with applicable data protection regulations. You can also take the certification quiz multiple times if needed. Please note that monitoring features are enabled during the quiz to help ensure that the certification is completed under appropriate conditions. This may include tracking certain behaviors, such as leaving the quiz page during the assessment. The quiz typically takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete and consists of 10 questions, each with 4 possible answers and 1 correct choice, designed to validate your understanding of the course material. To earn the certification, you must pass the quiz with a minimum score of 70%. Upon reaching this threshold, your certification will be instantly generated on the current page and you can download it immediately using the dedicated button. Furthermore, a copy of the certification along with a detailed breakdown of your correct and incorrect answers will be sent to the email address you provided. For a more structured educational journey, as opposed to taking a standalone course, consider visiting the Learning Paths page. Learning Paths offer curated journeys, grouping several related courses into a logical sequence. This structure allows learners to build expertise in a specific area or product progressively, moving step by step through a topic rather than selecting individual courses in isolation. These learning paths are designed to equip professionals and organizations with practical skills and a deeper understanding of business-critical domains. This includes generative AI, large language models, automated machine learning, and enterprise AI workflows specifically within the H2O.ai platform, empowering you to drive real-world business impact, as so many of our clients did. Finally, the FAQ page provides answers to some of the most common questions about H2O.ai University and training curriculum. Here, you can discover everything you need to know about the University Learning Hub, including how the courses and certification process work, who the platform is designed for, and any helpful prerequisites to get you started. This section helps new learners quickly understand how to navigate the platform and get the most out of the available training resources. That's why H2O.ai University was created, to make AI education practical, structured, and accessible, so data scientists, developers, analysts, and business teams can move faster from experimentation to real-world impact. Through a combination of curated courses, real product walkthroughs, and applied use cases, the platform helps these teams understand how to effectively use the H2O.ai ecosystem to design, build, and deploy AI solutions. This enables them to accelerate time to production, reduce development and operational costs, and make more informed, data-driven decisions at scale. For organizations, this translates into stronger ROI, higher client satisfaction through more reliable and performant solutions, and increased employee productivity by equipping teams with the right skills, frameworks, and confidence to adopt modern AI technologies in their day-to-day work. To explore the courses and start learning, visit H2O.ai/university and begin your journey into the H2O.ai ecosystem.